Trying to fill it back up with soil and stake all the... Sticking these guys down. These crazy tomatoes. I'm just feeling that some of them are gonna fall. For sure, we got another squash coming in today. We still have the other one at home. No, tornado's not coming yet. Peas, we're gonna have to come pick early in the morning. He's got some color change. This one's definitely blushing. Did you wrap up the the watermelon? This is the biggest one we have so far. There's quite a few of them. We're using these recycling bags. Hold up our watermelon. Is there any more, Dad? Hey, you can make put some stakes around your plant. Oh, look. Nope, I've already seen that one. Oh, I think I hear rain. Let's see. This fills up with water, doesn't it? Yeah. So let's make like a little teepee or something that we could put this string of watermelon on. Maybe I could just string it on top. So Lala, whew, wish us luck. Oh, there's the rain, guys. We're gonna have to protect all our goods. Dad, did you want to pick up any of these cucumbers, or do you want to save them for seeds? They have really big ones. There's at least 3 big ones.
Hurricane sitting now.
No, not till tomorrow. I still have all this. So if there's not much rain in the morning, we could come do some, well, we can, harvesting. These onions probably going to be picked. One of them's already fallen over.
Some of these trees are coming down whenever the hurricane comes.
It's a possibility.
I hope not.
The road is going to be blocked whenever the hurricane comes, so let's know that.
Nah, it depends on how high the water is.
Mama, there will be no trucks taken. You know why? Because the road's going to be blocked. If we do, we're going to have to...
Look, we need to cover this up right here. These bags are showing.